Wi-Fi calling allows you to make and receive phone calls using a Wi-Fi network instead of relying solely on a cellular network. Here's a simplified description of how the packet flow works in Wi-Fi calling. 1. Phone initiates a call. When you start a Wi-Fi call, your phone, let's call it the UE or user equipment, creates a voice packet, which is basically a tiny bundle of data that contains your voice. 2. Voice packets travel through Wi-Fi network. These voice packets are then sent from your phone to the nearest Wi-Fi access point, or AP. The AP is like a gatekeeper that connects your phone to the broader network. From the AP, the packets move through the local area network, or LAN, which could be your home router or an enterprise network. 3. Reaching the internet. After passing through the LAN, the packets go through the Internet Service Provider, or ISP, and onto the public internet. At this point, they're moving across the globe, possibly crossing several network nodes, like switches and routers, which help direct the packets to their final destination. Connecting to the carrier's network. The packets then arrive at your mobile carrier's Evolved Packet Core, or EPC, which is the central part of the carrier's network that handles data, voice, and signaling. Here, the packets are processed and sent to the IP Multimedia Subsystem, or IMS, a framework that supports voice, video, and messaging services over IP or Internet Protocol. The IMS is responsible for setting up, managing, and terminating the voice call. Connecting to the Public Switch Telephone Network, or PSTN. If you're calling someone on a regular phone, like a landline or non-Wi-Fi mobile phone, your voice packets will be converted from IP packets to the traditional format used by the Public Switch Telephone Network. This conversion happens at a media gateway in the carrier's network, which then forwards the call to the PSTN. Call is delivered to the recipient. Finally, the call is delivered to the recipient's phone, whether it's over the cellular network, another Wi-Fi network, or the PSTN. The same process happens in reverse for the recipient's voice, which gets packetized and sent back to you through the same path. Continuous flow. Throughout the call, voice packets are continuously sent back and forth between the caller and the recipient. This bidirectional flow ensures that you can hear each other in real time, even though your voices are being broken down into packets and sent over the internet. Key points. Quality of service, also known as QoS Wi-Fi networks, often prioritize voice packets to ensure a clear, uninterrupted call, even if other data is being transmitted on the same network. Security Wi-Fi calling packets are encrypted, meaning that the data is scrambled to protect your call from being intercepted by unauthorized parties. Seamless handoff. If you move out of Wi-Fi range during a call, your phone can seamlessly switch to the cellular network without dropping the call, assuming both networks are available and supported by your carrier. This flow allows Wi-Fi calling to work smoothly, giving you the ability to make and receive calls even in areas with poor cellular coverage, as long as a reliable Wi-Fi connection is available.